Hey guys, we're here at the Impala compound here at the Sportpro SA Lodge. We're just chilling in the front. This is a great place to hang out, read a book, have a cappuccino, stay out of that South African heat, stay out of the rain. Everything's enclosed in, so this front porch is just a great place to chill, get ready for the day as an athlete here at the Sportpro SA Lodge. Room 29 comes with a couch in the front. Big setup though. 2 beds in here, Springbok memorabilia, as well as some sprinters. My guy, Dan Carter, my favorite fly half of all time as well. Smart TV per usual, Netflix, YouTube, all connections. Video games also connect there. Bathroom in there, if we'll show you real quick. Camera guy, get in there, bang, good work. All right, room number 30 is a sweet one. Big outdoor porch, good place to hang out, have a coffee. Come on inside though. This one's got a big mirror setup. Bang, bang, dance moves in the mirror. We're capable of it. Hey guys, want to check out room 34? Don't worry, I'll open the door. Come on in. Swimmer memorabilia, Gene DeVillers. Big setup, 3-bedroom setup in here. Merchandise all over the place. Come on in. Big shower, as you can see, door closes behind me. Give you that privacy if you're here staying with your teammates. Big bathroom and sink setup as well. Let's show you guys one of my favorite rooms. It's room number 37. Like I said, All Blacks legends just all over this house. Inside, we've got another All Blacks poster, painting, 2 beds on this side, 1 bed there, so 3 beds in this room. And we have a huge bathroom here. Nice bathroom setup, sink, as well as a toilet. Gotta love it. We'll show you the other side now. More All Black stuff all around this house. Sweet leather couches to chill, hang out. TV in there as well, as you guys know. Big kitchen, big fridge. I know you guys are eaters. Come on by, we'll show you what we've got. We have a little bit of Springbok and South African style in this room. That'll get you fired up. This has got such a cool environment to it. You know, we've got our 2 chairs, great place to stay and create some good memories with your team. And as well as it connects to that outdoor seating area that we showed you guys at the beginning of the video. It's a great place to stay with your team. Make sure to book Sportpro SA Lodge. You're only 3 clicks away from booking your stay.